And now we're going to cover subcategory A3, what is described fly far from a people, with the drone's class identification C3 and C4. Flying over uninvolved people and over assembly of people. And who is exactly uninvolved people, who is involved people, and what is assembly of people? Any uninvolved person is a person what is not directly involved in your flight. There could be a person in the beach or in the park or walking on the street, but as well the person what is not directly exposed to a drone flight could be also the person in the car, in the bus, what is indirectly exposed to the drone flight. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. Involved people, they are people who are directly involved in your flight. For example, drone pilot, observer, operator, and the customer. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. An assembly of people is a crowd of people, but is not exactly defined by a specific number of the people, but is related of the possibility of people to escape in case of any danger from a drone. For example, if a drone is gonna fail, it's gonna drop from a sky, they need to have easy possibility of escaping from that drone. There could be a people in a busy day in the park or on the beach. There could be a people in the commercial street during the opening hours of the shop. Could be on a ski resort, tracks, could be on any event. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. C3 drones in a subcategory A3 flying over uninvolved people. With the C3 drones, you're not allowed to fly over uninvolved people or group of people, and you have to maintain horizontal distance of minimum 150 meters from people. And now the safe distance where you have to keep from residential, commercial or industrial area, for example towns, cities, small village, any park or similars. With the C3 drones, you're not allowed to fly in these areas, and you have to keep maintenance horizontal distance of at least 150 meters from that area. And as well, if you want to bypass any of the objects as well, you have to keep maintenance distance of 150 meters from that object. In the A3 subcategory, you can as well fly drones with the C2 labels. If you don't have that trainings complete for the A2 subcategory, you will fly in the A3 subcategory. And the regulations are exactly the same as the 4 C3 drones. Then you're not allowed to fly in this area, and you have to keep maintenance safe distance of at least 150 meters from these areas. And as well, if you want to bypass any other object, you have to keep the 150 meters safe distance. And there will be very similar situation with the C2 drones flying over uninvolved people. You're not allowed to fly over uninvolved people or group of people, and you have to maintain horizontal distance of at least 150 meters from a people. And now the summary of the A3 subcategory. Register as a drone operator, complete required trainings, read the drone manufacturer instruction and know your drone limits, attach the operator number to drone, check the geo zones where you can fly, check the weather condition if you can fly, and when flying, keep visual line of sight at all time, maintain a safe distance between the drone, people, animals and others, report any accident to National Aviation Authority, don't forget about the drone insurance, maintain a safe distance between the drone and the people, animals and others, and minimum 150 meters horizontal distance from residential, commercial, industrial areas. Keep a safe horizontal distance from a people, minimum 150 meters. Do not fly over 120 meters from a ground. Do not fly over the group of people. Do not fly in the no-fly geozones near the airports or helipads. Do not fly in restricted geozones without permission. Do not involve in the people's privacy and do not record people without permission. Do not use a drone to carry goods or drop the materials, and do not modify your drone. And if you want to check any other drones regulation in the EU for open category or any other regulation for A1 or A2 subcategory, just browse my channel and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.